Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about an insane Android launcher theme setup like this. You can just get it insane. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
So download the Leaf Line launcher from the Play Store first. So this is a beautiful Android launcher with a super lined theme. In the top you can find the clock weather widget and followed by a beautiful wallpaper, and in the side you can find the day and also the date on calendar. In the bottom section you can find some application. You can see it's a lined designed a sketch designed icon pack, which is so beautiful and minimal. In the second page you can find some applications that followed by the same lined or a transparent or a sketch design, which is so beautiful. So you can find this theme. Let's click on the launcher setting, go to the theme section, swipe down, and you can find this theme on the theme number 24. So just click on the theme number 24 and apply the theme. And in the launcher setting you can find a change the language option and other more icon pack. You can just launch the more option to change the wallpaper. It's a beautiful collection of wallpapers, and I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on the next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a beautiful and wonderful day ever.